Okay, this is for you, Noel. You wanted to know how big the piano is, and the height on it is 4 feet 7 inches, and the width at the widest point was 5 feet. What is 5 feet 6 inches? I think is what it is. Let me make sure about that. Okay. This is an old-fashioned tape I have with me. One over here, and two right there, and that says 5 feet 5 inches is how wide it is, and the depth is the last measurement, and I'll get that here if I can get this thing lined up so I can get how deep it is. So I'm measuring the depth from this outside corner where the keys are to back here, and that says the depth on it is 2 feet and 4.5 inches. So that's the measurements, and as I told everybody that wants to know about it, it is a beautiful, beautiful Steinway-Beck dinner, Chicago. And that's it. I'm not going to sit here and play music. I don't have time to do music today. But it should be very evident that this is a beautiful piece of history of Boundary County. I hope somebody that really can appreciate that will get it. Oh, and it's going to be an easy unload. That's the doors right there. Drive right up.